Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Well, believe it or not, the sun's out this morning. It never stopped raining yesterday. We've got Steve from Wandering by Choice. He's in Somerset. It's never stopped raining since he arrived. Mary down there in Cornwall. Watching all holiday makers in the Pacamacs with glum faces wandering right shops in hot rain. I get some interesting viewers, because there's someone who watches, who follows us from America, and he makes comments, and I clicked on it on the laptop. I clicked on his profile, and it took me to him, and I can't remember what it is called. He's not a person. It's not a person's name.
All right. It's
a little picture of a car or a truck. Because I went on a little video he made, and he lives in a, well, he don't live in it, but he's got a flatbed truck, and he's fashioned this tent that goes on it, and he's got a bed in there, and a fridge, and a little cooker, he's been out there. He's been out for 2 months so far in it, and it's like 85 degrees where he is. Lovely and warm. We're all like drowned rats over here, and he's lovely and warm over there in his flatbed truck conversion. Yeah, it was very basic but interesting. Yeah, just shows you for a few quid how you can convert a flatbed into somewhere you can
somewhere warm.
Yeah, dry. I mean, not that it needs to keep dry. It's not raining, is it?
Well, that's what I mean. It's warm over there. You can do that with a tent, can't you?
Yeah.
But you'd be drowned like a drowned rat here.
Oh, yeah.
In a tent.
Yeah,
because we keep seeing boaters going up and down. We feel sorry for them because it's just raining.
Oh, with the hoods up and the waterproof gear on.
Yeah. Yeah. That's weird. But there's plenty out walking this morning because sun's out. I bet they've all been hibernating.
Aye. Yeah, because it's been dead. Or dead yesterday.
Apart from usual dog walkers.
Yeah.
Same dog walkers. Yeah. There's one chap that walks up and down at least 3 times with a different dog. So he must take all his neighbours' dogs for walks.
Oh. Wow.
I've seen
Keep him fit.
3 different dogs.
What, yesterday it rained?
Yeah.
As well.
All week.
Yeah.
It's been going up and down. No matter what it's like.
Yeah.
He's got them out.
We have to do
I think
that.
one of them's is, but I've seen him with another one, and then a different one. And we've just been watching Camper Van Kevin, and he's got a problem with a wild dog. I think it keeps coming and pooping on stones that are around his camp, and he's got like a sheep's skull, and it pooped on top of that. He says it just keeps pooping on top of things. Anyway.
This is in Concho, Arizona.
Yeah, he videoed it last night, didn't he?
Yeah.
Because he left the poop that was outside his camper on a pile of stones that's holding his mat rug down, and it come back and had a sniff round it, so he got
So he knows who it is, who the
knows
culprit
what
is.
it is
He reckons
now.
he's going to catch it.
Yeah, I don't know what he's going to do with it when he catches it.
Now, you stop pooping on my rocks.
He's got a little, well, 3 little dogs, haven't they?
Yeah, he has Yorkies.
Yorkies.
3 little Yorkies.
And they all have their own little voice when he talks. And little Martinez said, I'll catch it, Daddy.
I'll bite it.
I'll bite it. One of them's not well. What it Martinez is not well. Got kidney problem and a thyroid.
Oh, yeah.
Thyroid.
Yeah.
She says she's got to take tablets for the rest of her life now.
Well,
Well, they're getting on.
we're getting old.
Yeah, about 10-year-old, I think, aren't they?
Mm.
Are they? When you've got pets, there's always money to fork out, isn't there?
Yeah, it costs money to have pets.
Because he has to have them all clipped and what have you, but he can't get in because it's that full.
People, Arizona, in Phoenix, in Arizona, it's 112 degrees or something. Ridiculous. And people escape. They leave Phoenix and come further north and bring their pets with them. And so the grooming parlour's just absolutely
jam-packed.
He can't get his dogs in for clipping.
So consequently, she looked a bit bedraggled, didn't she?
Yeah.
Round her head.
Funny, you were only saying yesterday you needed a haircut.
Yeah, well, it's getting quite well.
This
Don't
place
curl
where you went last,
Oh, it's where our Tracy goes.
oh, you went there, didn't you?
Yeah, and Alethea and Trudy, they all go, and David, they all go up
Oh, they do, don't
to
they?
just
It's up in
on edge of
Farnsley.
Farnsley. Yeah. It's not too bad to walk up to, I don't think. It's just
Oh,
on
you'll have
edge.
to wait. We've spent enough lately with all bits and pieces.
Yeah, new carpets.
For
And,
camper.
yeah.
Well, road tax, insurance, all come up.
Mirror,
Mirror. Yeah.
carpets.
Yeah. So that in there will have to wait.
Yeah, it can do. It's not in no. It's not desperate.
And I didn't do a thing yesterday.
No,
Well,
didn't did we?
stuck indoors all day.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't have wanted to be out, to be honest.
No, it won't.
But today,
We're planning.
Pat's going swimming with Alethea
Yeah.
to Pudsey Baths. Can't go to Army Baths because they're not open during day for free swimming.
Bramley.
Bramley. Did I
Baths.
say what did I?
Armley.
Oh, not Armley, Bramley.
Bramley.
So you're going to Pudsey.
Yeah.
Pudsey Baths.
Yeah.
And we're going to get a bus and you're going to go swimming and I'm going to
Go for
Go
a
for a
walk
wander.
somewhere, aren't you?
around Pudsey Park.
It's only a three quarters of an hour swim. I've usually had enough after half an hour, 3/4 of an hour.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
don't know whether we might go to Weatherby Whaler then
for tea.
for tea. What do you think? It might be a bit early, but I think we will.
How could we not
Yeah.
when you're in Pudsey?
I know.
Mind you, it's dear now.
Yeah. Not to worry.
Can't we get one to share?
No. Because we've got Alethea with us.
Oh God, that'll be even dearer.
She didn't eat fish and chips really. She might have some chicken nuggets and chips or something. But they do. Oh. I don't know whether they do pizza. We'll see. She'll have some.
So that's the plan for today.
Yeah. That's the plan for today. It's called a fun swim, so I don't know what that entails.
Having fun, swimming.
Yeah. Yep.
Anything else?
Anything else? I don't know. David got a load of packages, didn't he?
He's bought the new PlayStation 5.
Yes.
Alethea went round yesterday to have a look.
Yeah. You haven't had a PlayStation for it. Well, you haven't ever had a PlayStation.
No, Xbox.
Xbox, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How are you getting on with that game thing on phone?
I'm top of the rookies.
Oh, yeah.
I'm top at rookies.
There you are. You haven't lost your neck then?
Oh, I'm surprised because you have to keep your eye. You've got two. It's more, you're more or less like football manager, only F1 manager. But you've got two drivers, and you have to keep your eye on them both, because there's a bar. There's 3 bars for each driver. One tells you when I can't remember the name of it now. When you can open that rear flap and get extra speed. Yeah. One that you've got a bar for that, a bar for the tyre wear, and a bar for the maintenance.
Oh.
So while they're both going round, you've got 2 on either side at phone. And you have to keep your eye on them. And each car has a fast, medium and slow. And you can use the fast to overtake. But the more you use it, the more you wear, your tyres wear, and the more the maintenance bar goes down. So you have to watch each driver where they are, and how to overtake and what have you, and defend. Keep your eye on tyres and all that, and then you've got to pick. You've got to decide what tyre to change it onto, either medium or hard or soft.
Right.
And then pit them both, but like not together. You can't pit them both together or so lose tyres. So you've got to. And I mean, look at me. I mean, I've only got half a brain. How I'm supposed to, and yet I'm top. I don't know how money's that.
Oh. Do you think they're letting you get to the top?
Oh yeah, they're letting me. They're letting me get to the top. I'm surprised how many there is.
Are you playing again?
You're playing against a rival, and you've got a little flag on your car with your name on, and yours are in white and your rivals are in black.
All right.
You've got to beat your rival, so you're racing against somebody.
All right.
Who's online.
Oh, it's a real person then?
Yeah.
Oh.
So sometimes I get beaten, sometimes I win. But I'm currently on you go up in stages, and I'm on wet conditions, so raining.
All right.
So I'm on that level at the moment.
Oh dear.
It's all wet tyres.
Right.
This is
interesting.
This is all as a result of Andrew,
my nephew,
introducing me to it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a kid at heart, really.
Yeah. It's keeping him up.
Although I'm not interested in games, but I do like driving, motor racing. Yeah.
Motorbikes.
Yeah. I was watching a YouTube channel, and it said it was Isle of Man TT, and you were on following one of the riders at Isle of Man.
Right. This year's TT.
I don't know what year. But I watched this, and it was hair raising. But I was watching it, I was thinking, it don't look like Isle of Man. I was waiting for it to go through Ramsey and up over the mountain and all that. Oh, I don't get this. And he was riding along, and he catches up to somebody, and he's riding, and it gives a nudge, and you see this rider come tumbling over at 100 mile an hour into edge.
Oh.
And I thought, hey up, this is weird. They'd have bloody red flagged it if that had have happened. I thought, it's a game. And what's it into real? It's a game.
Oh,
But it was so realistic. Looked real.
Wow.
Sounded real and looked real. But I thought, it can't be real. You can't just go nudging people into to have a fatal bloody injury and carry on riding as though nothing happened.
Oh dear.
Anyway,
Yeah.
I'll film it while I'm out today.
Yeah.
You can have a look at Putsey Baths and Putsey Park.
Yeah.
All right. So see you tomorrow. All being well.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.